hotel is not famous in the locality. People identify it as opposite to Vaishali Bar. The hotel should have better display boards, etc. Convenient facilities at OYO 8759 Hotel Adore PalaceAt OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace. Convenience is a top priority. With a range of facilities designed to make your stay hassle-free, you can truly relax and enjoy your time in Mumbai. The hotel offers a laundry service, ensuring that in addition, room service is available for those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their own room. Indulge in a delicious meal or a refreshing beverage without having to leave the comfort of your accommodation. The hotel also provides a designated smoking area for guests who smoke. Furthermore, OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace offers luggage storage facilities, allowing you to securely store your belongings before check-in or after check-out. This convenient service ensures that you can explore the city without the burden of carrying your luggage around. Additionally, daily housekeeping is provided to ensure that your room. Last but not least, the hotel features a cozy fireplace, perfect for those chilly evenings or simply creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Gather around the fireplace with friends or loved ones and create lasting memories. With these convenient facilities, OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace aims to make your stay in Mumbai as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Cozy rooms with fireplaces at OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace. Indulge in the ultimate comfort and luxury at OYO 8. Relax and unwind in front of the fireplace, whether you're curling up with a good book or enjoying a romantic evening with your loved one. The crackling sound of burning wood and the soft glow of the fire will create a soothing and intimate atmosphere, perfect for creating lasting memories. The fireplaces in the rooms at OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace are meticulous. In addition to the fireplace, each room at OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace is thoughtfully designed and furnished to provide a comfortable and convenient stay. Enjoy modern amenities such as air conditioning, flat-screen TV, comfortable beds, and ensuite bathrooms with hot showers. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi access and make use of the in-room tea and coffee making facilities. With attentive housekeeping and room service, your every need will be taken care of, allowing you to relax and make the most of your stay at OYO 8759 Hotel Adore Palace. Delicious dining at